Hi everyone, today a wonderful opportunity for 2024 and 25 batch. This was from Swiggy. Uh, the role was like associate software development engineer, and it was location based on Bangalore. Now, my like experience is below between 0 to 1 years, and they are looking for highly motivated individuals. And yeah, I said that assistant software development engineer role, and there will be like they need technologies like Java, Go, and Elasticsearch and SQL, everything. You can see here what will you get to do here. The collaborate and you can learn any new backend services, everything, and you can improve yourself in design. You can improve yourself a lot here. Um, Again, you can see like it was B.Tech 24 and 25 graduates only, and basically they need computer science graduates and or related field like IT or ANML like that field in B.Tech computer science, and they need strong programming skills in Java and or Go language. Mostly they need you must need some backend development concepts and technologies and basic understanding of datasets and data modeling pipelines and principles. Sorry for that. And you are enthusiasm to learn and work, and you need to like self motivated or self improvement yourself, and you want to get to know improve yourself while you want to learn and want to show in your skills and problems, and you need to have excellent problem solving and communication skills, ability to work well and collaborative team environment. And if you have familiarity with like Azure or AWS or GCP, like the cloud versions or version control example, you can apply directly from here. Like it was a simple. Well, you need to attach your resume. I mean, upload your resume, and you need to give your details: name, last name, email address, phone number, your pin code and address, and your full address, like current location and date of birth. Minimum age is 18 years. Gender, and if you have experience, you can give your experience and your current company name and notice period and current salary and expected salary, how much you are expecting, and there is some normal like gender and age. I mean, they're showing like age 18 to 20 according to your age. And if you can write a cover note message for applicant and recruitment, and you need to agree and you need to submit. It's a simple process. After that, after applying, you will get a mail from Swiggy team. I mean, HR team. Like you have applied, and see, this is the process. You need to apply for this role, and there will be written or technical exam or aptitude test or something, and again it will be like person interview, one-to-one interview. After that, a short of HR interview, like HR discussion about salary and your package and what you are thinking and how your behavior, everything will be checked there, and you can ask any questions there, and then final review. After all the process, they will review your final, and they will give a offer letter to you. You can join. In Swiggy team, there is I mean, you can get lot of opportunities. You can. It was best row for 2024 batch mostly. 2025 almost there is a gap, so you can apply for this role and you can get maximum. You can better to prepare for everything and everything. Thank you for this. The link will be in comment section. First comment which pin, and in caption. I mean, in description also the link will be provided. Thank you for this. Subscribe for more opportunities.